Wildfires cause turmoil in CA property insurance market. New York, AP, Kent Michitsch seemed to be running out of traditional options to insure the home he's lived in for more than 30 years northeast of San Diego as California's massive property insurance market reels from 3 consecutive years of destructive wildfires. Michitsch, 57, has received 3 non-renewal notices in 3 years, and says he feared getting a 4th one when his homeowner's policy comes up for renewal the middle of next year if it wasn't for California lawmakers' recent intervention in the market. It's constant worry and frustration. You know you're covered now, but I might have to look for a new policy next year yet again. Michitsch says he's never made a claim on his insurance and never had fire damage. Thousands of homeowners like Michitsch have lost their insurance policies in the last few years as insurers pull out of areas that are at risk of fire damage or stop insuring homes altogether. They've been forced to scramble to find coverage from regular insurance providers or to turn as a last resort to a government-sanctioned plan that at the moment only provides fire coverage. State Farm, the largest in the state, and Allstate and other insurers declined to renew roughly 350,000 policies in areas at high risk for wildfires since 2015, the California Department of Insurance said back in August, and the department has gotten record numbers of requests this year from insurers to increase the rates they charge property owners. The data also shows 33,000 policies were not renewed by insurers in zip codes affected by the major wildfires. While the insurance industry says the California property insurance market is resilient, state lawmakers and officials have had to scramble to keep the market from grinding to a halt from the unexpected additional risk. The California legislature passed a law earlier this year giving the Department of Insurance emergency powers to keep policies in effect for those in fire-prone areas. This month, California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara put a 1-year moratorium on non-renewals, in hopes that lawmakers, insurance companies and other stakeholders can reach a more substantial solution for the roughly 1 million homeowners in zip codes adjacent to previous wildfires. This wildfire insurance crisis has been years in the making, but it is an emergency we must deal with now if we are going to keep the California dream of homeownership from becoming the California nightmare, as an increasing number of homeowners struggle to find coverage, Lara said in a statement. The fires of 2017 and 2018 caused a combined $25.3 billion in damages according to the California Department of Insurance. That's exponentially higher than the previous wildfires in 2015 and 2008, which caused $1.1 billion and $719 million in damages, respective. For more on this story, visit the news article link.